Morning guys. Ayan, after school ito na ulit, after ride on a tricycle, walking ulit. And ayun, umulan, na-cancel yung pasok ng panghapon. And ako morning, ito pauwi na. And ambon na lang po, and buti na lang may umbrella. Yun, hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin ko, speechless. Dami nangyari. Yung presentation namin na dapat kami yung sasayaw, na-cancel din, tomorrow na lang, because of the bad weather ulit. The first kasi guys, before we go to school, the weather is good pa eh. Okay pa yung weather, hindi pa siya sobrang cool, walang ambon, okay na okay. And then when it's 7 AM in the morning, ayun, nag-start na ulit yung ambon. Like that yan ang ambon. May baha na nga ng konti. And then nagtuloy-tuloy. Akala namin mag-i-stop yung bad weather na yan kasi ambon, but it goes continuously. Tuloy-tuloy siya guys eh, hanggang sa lumakas, hanggang hindi na natuloy nga. Tapos ngayon, ito na, naggawa kami ng letter na mag-stay kami sa classroom kasi yung bad weather is tuloy pa rin, lakas pa rin until yan, ginawa namin yung activities namin sa classroom. As a president, as a vice president, ayun, nag-picture pa rin ng actual folding, towel folding and set up trolley. After that, take a break, kumain muna, and continue ulit nag-lesson about sa bathroom cleaning. Si sir, yung trainer po namin, nag-lesson siya. After that, ayun, nag-start na ng cleaners. Ako po, isa po sa cleaners na yun. Naglinis po ako ng trash can. And then, nandito na ako sa amin guys. And shoutout pala sa kaklase ko na kinukulit ako. Sinasabihan ako kanina, shoutout sa'yo Aaron. Ayun, Aaron, God bless sa'yo, peace out. And guys, God bless everyone.